The water looks so beautiful. It's turquoise blue.
They're all around us. There's at least 10, maybe 12.
That was incredible. Welcome to Bahia Conception, arguably the most beautiful place on the entire Baja Peninsula. Located in Baja California Sur on the east side of the peninsula, this sheltered bay boasts calm, crystal clear waters and is lined with many soft sandy beaches. And the best part is the amazing beachfront camping. Welcome to paradise. It's our first morning here at El Coyote. We rented kayaks from one of the vendors driving along the beach. We rented it for 500 pesos for a day and a half. And the water is lovely and calm this morning. So we're going to go kayak around an island just over there.
It's a beautiful bay to go kayaking in. Everything is so clear. We're just gonna go around some islands. There's tons of beaches, there's tons of cliffs. A lot of fun.
So we've spotted either whales or dolphins. Look at them all.
I think it's dolphins. They're right behind us.
Whoa! There's dolphins behind us. Whoa!
They have a lot of scars.
Oh my goodness!
This is the best dolphin view I've ever had.
We're surrounded by dolphins right now.
There's at least 2 groups of 6. There they are.
Oh my gosh, there's so many!
Like little party poppers.
That was incredible.
They're all around us. There's at least 10, maybe 12, maybe more. Probably 6 right here.
Oh, it's cool.
I've never heard a dolphin whistle before. The dolphins have gotten away from us. That's okay. We're pretty tired after following them for a while. So we've pulled in this secluded bay and we're gonna have lunch and just enjoy the beautiful day.
We made it back. Bahia Conception is made up of quite a few mini bays. We are currently at Playa El Coyote and we absolutely love it here. We're parked right up on the beach and we have our own little palapa. Many people return to Bahia Conception to spend the entire winter season here, and it's easy to see why. Falling asleep and waking up to the soothing sound of waves, and then opening your door every morning to step out onto a beautiful soft sandy beach is really special.
Part of the reason we love this beach so much is how beautiful the water is.
It didn't take long for us to feel right at home here. We love being able to slow down, set up camp, and enjoy living in our tiny home on the beach. So we're here over the holidays, and there is a couple families down here who come here every winter and spend the holidays here, and they have a holiday potluck, and they invited us to it, which was really awesome. So we're just whipping up some food here to take to the potluck. We're just making our way to the potluck now.
Please enjoy tomorrow and night now, so fill it up and shake the oil. Bobby, down in the front.
How's the food?
This is a lot.
So we were back from the potluck. It was really nice to talk to some of the people who spend all winter here and just get to see our current neighbors a little bit more. And the food was really good as well. We came back to the van and watched a really nice sunset over Bahia Conception and the Sea of Cortez. It is the middle of winter, so the sun is setting very early and we have lots of time to hang out in the van. So tonight we are going to turn on a heater, watch a movie, and just relax. And then we're going to get up early and make the most of our beautiful day in Bahia Concepcion tomorrow.
Rising with the sun quickly became a part of our daily routine to make the most out of our time here. After slowly waking up with our morning coffee and breakfast, we soon headed to the water with a cold drink in hand and made use of the few water toys that we brought on our trip. We quickly made upgrades, fins from our snorkel gear, so we could go even further out into the bay with less effort. So there's a hike that starts over there somewhere by the porta potties and goes all the way up the ridge, and supposedly goes all the way over here, and you get beautiful views of the bay. So at some point today we're going to try and find the start of that hike and then do the hike. Coffee's all done, so I'm gonna head in now. So we're just gonna go start the hike up to the viewpoint. Apparently the start of the trail is next to the porta potties.
So we need to go find which one.
While we're here, we'll just show you the facilities at El Coyote. It's a lovely tin can. And there's no door. But the view is spectacular. You're in nature. And you got a view of the highway up there. So we haven't walked very far, we just came up to a little ridge, but you get really beautiful views of the camping beach, and the water looks so beautiful. It's turquoise blue. Watch where you going, bud? A little bit of a rocky climb getting up here, but this is really pretty. So we've reached the end of the path. There's a barbed wire fence here, and then there's a big steep rocky part right here which we don't want to climb. So we're gonna have some water, enjoy the views, and then make our way back down.
Is it food time? Is it food time?
Okay, go.
Lucky bug.
Good morning. We've been loving hanging out in Bahia Concepcion. We've been there for about 5 days just hanging out on the beach. Today we're going to mix it up a little and head into MULEGE to get some groceries and some lunch and walk around the town. And then we're going to head back to the beach to keep relaxing and enjoying the beautiful bay.
Our batteries have also slowly been decreasing since we haven't been driving for about 5 days. So meandering into town is definitely helping top up the power. MULEGE is a charming small city located on the banks of the river MULEGE. We spent the morning wandering through the quiet, colorful streets lined with locally owned stores, occasionally stopping for treats along the way. So we're all done downtown, we loaded up on groceries and we explored the town, and now we are going to go find some tacos.
So we drove past the place we planned to get tacos and it's no longer there. So I think what we're going to do is head back to Bahia Concepcion, enjoy the rest of our day, and then make dinner.
Bahia Concepcion is one of those rare places that's hard to leave. There are so many beautiful beaches to call home, all with their unique features, new places to explore, and vendors who bring everything right to your doorstep. We eventually said goodbye and continued further south to Loreto, our first pueblo mágico.